I hope everyone who subscribes to my channel and likes the video becomes a hacker. Yes, hacker actually means cybersecurity expert. If you become a hacker, you send a subscriber to my channel. Alright, let's get to the video. How to become a hacker, that is, a cybersecurity expert, and of course, how much is his salary? Becoming a cybersecurity expert requires a combination of education, experience, and ongoing learning. Here are some steps that you can take to become a cybersecurity expert. Get a degree or certification. A degree or certification in computer science, information technology, or cybersecurity can provide a solid foundation of knowledge in the field. Some popular cybersecurity certifications include Certified Information Systems Security Professional CISP, Certified Ethical Hacker CE, and CompTIA Security Plus. Gain experience. Look for internships or entry-level jobs in cybersecurity to gain hands-on experience. You can also practice your skills on your own by setting up a virtual lab environment and experimenting with different security tools and techniques. Stay up to date. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest technologies, threats, and best practices. Attend industry conferences, read cybersecurity blogs and publications, and participate in online communities to stay informed. Specialize. Cybersecurity is a broad field, and there are many areas of specialization, such as network security, application security, and incident response. Consider specializing in an area that interests you and pursuing further education or certification in that area. Develop soft skills. Effective communication, problem solving, and teamwork skills are important for cybersecurity professionals. Work on developing these skills as you gain experience in the field. Remember, cybersecurity is a critical field that requires a high level of responsibility and ethics. Always prioritize the security of the systems and data that you are responsible for protecting, and use your skills for ethical and legal purposes. The salary of a cybersecurity specialist can vary depending on factors such as experience, location, industry, and company size. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual wage for information security analysts, which include cybersecurity specialists, was $153,590 as of May 2023 in the United States. However, this number can be higher or lower depending on the factors mentioned earlier. In general, cybersecurity specialists with more experience and advanced certifications can command higher salaries. Additionally, companies in high-risk industries such as finance and healthcare may offer higher salaries to attract top talent. In summary, the salary of a cybersecurity specialist can vary, but it is generally considered a well-paying and in-demand profession. What software language should a cybersecurity specialist know? Cybersecurity specialists should have a good understanding of various programming and scripting languages to be able to analyze, identify, and address security vulnerabilities in software applications and networks. Here are some of the commonly used programming languages in cybersecurity. Python. Python is one of the most widely used programming languages in cybersecurity due to its simplicity and versatility. It is used for automating tasks, building scripts, and developing security tools. C and C++. These languages are used for low-level programming, such as operating system development and hardware-level security. They are also used for developing security tools and software applications. Java. Java is a popular language for developing web applications, and it is often used in security testing of web applications. Skull. Structured query language. Skull is used for managing databases, and it is important for cybersecurity professionals to understand how to write Skull queries to detect and prevent Skull injection attacks. Bash. Bash is a scripting language used for automating tasks in Linux and Unix systems. It is often used for writing scripts to automate security-related tasks such as scanning and monitoring. It is important to note that while programming knowledge is important for a cybersecurity specialist, it is just one aspect of the job. Cybersecurity specialists should also have a solid understanding of security protocols, networking, operating systems, and other areas of IT infrastructure. How long does it take to become a cybersecurity specialist? The amount of time it takes to become a cybersecurity specialist can vary depending on several factors, including educational background, experience, certifications, and the level of specialization you are seeking. Some cybersecurity specialist positions require a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field, which typically takes for years to complete. However, it's possible to get into the field with a relevant associate's degree or industry certifications, which can take less time to obtain. In terms of gaining experience, entry-level cybersecurity positions typically require 1 to 2 years of experience, while more advanced positions may require 5 to 10 years of experience. Obtaining industry certifications can also take varying amounts of time depending on the certification and the level of experience you have. Some certifications can be earned within a few months, while others require several years of experience and study to earn. In general, it can take several years to become a cybersecurity specialist, but the exact amount of time will depend on your educational background, experience, and level of dedication to learning and growing in the field. Please don't forget to subscribe if it was helpful.